show you the 250 Outrage made by Boston Weather. Forward you have a windlass anchor. You have railing all the way around the front, bolsters on both sides all the way down, rails along the side to hold on to while you're walking. A very nice cushioned area in the front here with armrests and a big cooler underneath. You got a big storage area in the bow and seating all around. You have a remote control for the stereo up here. So if you don't like the station they're listening to, you can change it. You have spinner lights forward, big T-top, matches the outside of the color of the boat. You got a windshield that goes all the way up to the top with a vent that comes up. So it's electric, so you can get some air in there, but stay really dry. Come around the back. Bolsters all the way down the line here. Nice seating up at the front with bolster seats here. You have fully electronics in this boat. So you got twin Marine screens. You've got a VHF radio, stereo system, rocket launchers up on the top. You have twin live wells in this boat. You have a live well behind the seat here, and you have a live well in the back. You have a fold-up seat in the back, so you have plenty of room to fish. You've got tow holes on the bottom down here to hold you in, rod holders, and huge fish boxes on both sides of the seating area. You've got on this one, you have a place for outriggers, and you have outrigger seats. They're on both sides. So if you have your outriggers out, you can sit there and you can catch the fish before anybody else. It's powered with twin 225 Mercury 4-stroke Verados, and the boat is ready to go. Please give us a call at 904-442-0581. Again, Carl Nelson with MarineMax in Jacksonville.